Making the ground level so it's easier for them to eat. Hello, chicky.
Take a film like that. I'm gonna give them some more.
Want a worm?
Wow, because it's a big one. It's taking a long time to eat it. Did it eat it?
Yes. Good
Wow.
chicky.
Ooh, there's another one.
Mommy, look at our own salad bar.
Oh, good job. This hole is so big, so the chicken's gonna put their head and they're gonna eat the whole thing. Then they cannot grow. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some wire here. Have a wire.
Oh, what about this one?
We're gonna put wire so they cannot put their head too far out, so they wouldn't eat the whole salad. Alrighty. Hold this. Go all the way. Yeah. Yeah. No, hold the bottom. No, bottom. Yeah. Go all the way to the end. Keep going. Keep going.
Yeah.
All the way to the end.
Whoa. What? What's that? Whoa. Like to the end, like over there.
Just over the wire. Okay. A little more.
More. Whoa. Like this?
Yeah.
Ow. Oh, yeah.
Okay, good. Put it on the ground. Oh, no, we're gonna cut it.
Can I?
Okay, you can cut the video. And then, Alicia, take this all the way where mommy had it earlier.
Putting it in small.
Alright, mommy's gonna do it. There we go.
Mommy, look, a salad bar.
I saw that. That was nice.
This big pile. Mom, gonna on, get on. We're not trying to hurt you. We're trying to kill you. I mean, let. Mommy, no. You got big.
What are you going to do with those worms?
We're gonna give it to the chicken.
You're gonna give it to chickens? That's a really big one.
I don't know if they can finish it in one day.
Okay, probably 1 second.
Yeah.
Maybe 2 seconds.
Yeah, maybe.
Don't you dare dig it. They're trying to go under.
You're gonna let them eat your chives?
This is a chive. They cannot eat so much. They can only eat the one that touches here.
Oh, I see one chicken right now.
And then oregano.
Mommy!
Oh,
Lots of different chives.
these are sorrels. Here we go. I'm gonna put 2 more later. Alright, from here. So this is the chives. And I'm going to put 2 more different vegetables. This one is collard green from last year. These 3 are sorrels. They come all the time. And this is oregano. Yeah. And as you can see, they want it, but they cannot go too far, which is perfect. So when these all grow and get closer to the edge, then they can eat it. They can only eat the top of the salad, not the root.